Hello, today I'd like to make a video on one of my favorite topics, tips and tricks, also known as hidden features. In this Infiniti QX80, you might know that to lock and unlock your vehicle, you could use your key fob. So for the lock button, and then when you go for the unlock button, that's what happens. But this is an intelligent key fob, so I can put it away, put it in my pocket, and then when I approach this door handle, I can push this button, it locks, push it again to unlock. Look at this turn signal on the side mirror. Then unlock. I have to admit, it sits a little funny with me knowing that unlocking, which is 2 syllables, unlock only beeps once, but locking, which is 1 syllable, beeps twice, but I've made my peace with it. So what if I told you that there is yet another button that can help you? From the trunk, if you go right here underneath the N, there is a button, feels like a pill button, which will lock and unlock remotely. Can you see that? Right? And don't confuse this with the other button, the trunk or the hatch release button, this wide one here, which is, it feels like it's between the I and N, but it's more towards the I. So let's push that. And then, once it goes all the way up, I'm going to try to show you what it looks like. Get in there. See this flat, rubbery one? Yeah, this is your trunk release one, and it's unresponsive at this height, I suppose. However, see this other round one? Yeah, this one that looks like a pill. And as you can see, it's right underneath or behind the N, the letter N. This is your lock and unlock button. It works just like your intelligent stuff. So as you've seen, this button is unresponsive at this height. Suppose they don't expect tall people to be doing this. So just go ahead and push that. And when it goes down, if we're standing here, just go for the N, and that locks. Yes, beep twice, that locks, yes. But yeah, I hope this video helps in one way or another. What kind of person would benefit from this knowledge? I don't know, maybe you have the key fob somewhere in your purse and you can't really get to it, and whatever circumstances are preventing you from going all the way around to your door, you know, knowing something like this might help. I don't judge, I just educate, and you use the knowledge that I've given you for whatever means, for whatever advantages it could help you. Okay, all the best. We'll be talking about the QX80 with more features later in the future.